Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn about how to enable end-to-end encryption messages on WhatsApp. It is a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the WhatsApp on your home screen. Now click on it. Now you are in the WhatsApp. You can see there is the settings page. Now click on it. Now scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the chats option. Now click on it. Now here you can see the chat backup option. Now select it. Now scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the end-to-end encrypted backup. Click on it. Now click on to turn on. To turn it on, you have to create a password. Now click on to create a password. Now you have to create a password given by the options in the screen. The password must contain at least 6 characters and 1 letter. After typing the password, click on to next. Here you have to retype the password again for the confirmation. Now retype the password and tap on to next. Finally, tap on to create. Now the end-to-end encryption process has been started. You have to wait for a few minutes and it looks like this. So that's it. This is how you turn on the end-to-end encryption messages on WhatsApp in your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.